The selection of plants is dependent on the aesthetics and outlook you want to create within your home. Of course, there is the issue of size and maintenance. One would definitely not want to see a plant wilting, as that would create a sense of negativity. Greenery within the household not only adds purity to the air, but also wealth, health, and love. Feng Shui is an art that patronizes keeping plants within homes. Don't worry if you have just begun to explore the wonders of this safe concept. This video offers you an insight into some of the home-friendly plants that can help you save the ecological balance while also bringing you a generous dose of fortune. Here are some plants that you can keep at home for luck. Lucky bamboo. You can't get more lucky than a plant with luck in its name. Among Asian cultures, lucky bamboo has long been associated with Feng Shui as a symbol of good fortune. Arrange certain numbers of stalks in vases of water anchored by stones for specific meanings: 3 stalks for happiness, longevity, and wealth, 5 for wealth, 6 for luck, 7 for good health, 8 for growth, and 10 for completion. If you're lucky enough to grow your plant to 21 stalks, it is said you will receive blessings of enduring health and great wealth. This plant prefers indirect sunlight, so bathrooms often make great homes. But they have too much powerful yang energy to keep in bedrooms. Money tree. Does money actually grow on trees? You might have guessed. The money tree is said to bring good luck and money to your home. The stalks of the small tree are often braided together. 3 or 5 braids is best in order for the luck to work. In addition, the leaves of the tree must have 5 or more fingers to be lucky. Don't confuse this with the vineyard money plant, which harmonizes the human existence with your surroundings. The money plant is a strong air purifier and is also a great addition to your home. Jade plant. Feng Shui teaches that plants with rounded leaves bring good fortune. Lush with round, fat leaves, the jade plant acts as a door to prosperity and success. Because of its meaning, it is often given to new business owners, but the jade is also well suited to live near the door to your home. In the right conditions, a jade plant can live for decades and grow into a small tree. Take care of your jade, and it will take care of your family for a generation or more. Orchids. Orchids are the world's largest plant family, and botanists believe they make up around 10% of all plants on Earth. Potted orchids are not only a beautiful addition to your home, but they have the unique ability to bring good luck and fortune in love. They nurture and enrich existing relationships while enhancing your chance of finding a romantic partner. The ancient Greeks also associated orchids with fertility and virility, making them a great gift for newlyweds. Even if you are not on the market, orchids quite literally soothe the soul. They release oxygen at night, which may help you gain a better night's sleep. Tulsi, holy basil. Hindu households consider Tulsi among the most auspicious of plants. It is a great air purifier and is said to heal coughs, colds, and other ailments. It can also kill bacteria, remove toxins from the blood, eradicate negative energy, and purify your digestive and circulatory systems. There are several varieties of holy basil on the market, but if you can't find any, don't fret. Traditional basil is also said to bring wealth, luck, and beauty. It was once so revered it was given as an engagement gift among Italians. Plus, basil is thought to contain antidepressant, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties, and it may even repel flies. Shamrock plant. According to Irish folklore, the shamrock plant, Oxalis or wood sorrel, is a symbol of luck and spiritual balance. Saint Patrick, who brought Christianity to Ireland, used a shamrock to illustrate the doctrine of the Holy Trinity, with the leaves symbolizing the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. It is available in abundance around St. Patrick's Day and can come in a deep purple hue with squared leaves. The traditional clover it is associated with is also said to be lucky, at least by those who do not consider it a weed. Peace lily. Like the money tree, peace lilies are native to the tropical regions of the Americas. But per feng shui, they are considered a fortune plant because of their ability to purify the air and cleanse your environment of contaminants. They are also great for emotional health and are said to bring serenity and harmony to your space. Peace lilies prefer very little light and require little maintenance. Because they grow well under artificial light, they are also a great addition to office environments. Any tropical plant aids in removing toxins from the air, thereby stimulating positivity, prosperity, and peace. Going green is a choice, and nature in any form, in a closed or open space, adds a unique characteristic to the space around it.